In this video, I will show you how to transfer a domain from Squarespace to Webflow. So in order to do that, we first need to head over and then just go from our Squarespace. We have in here our actual domain. Just right click on it and then copy it. From in there, go to your Webflow and you can see in here the publish option. So what you can do is you can just head over and go to the settings right here. You can also click on this gear icon right here in order to open the page settings. Alternatively, you can also click on these three lines and then go to the site settings as well. Now you can see in here the site settings. So what we can do is we can head over and then make sure to go to the publishing option. And then we have in here the domain. So what you can do is you can just remove it and then put right here the new domain. And since this is subdomain, you can head over and then use it if you want to connect a new one as well.